Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable off-peak charging on your DREAME X30 Ultra. Off-peak charging means your robot will be charged up to 100% when your electricity bills are not in peak. If you have that kind of electricity contract that has different rates for different hours during the day, you can enable the off-peak charging to save a little on the charging. To do that, go to three dots in top right corner, then go to battery management and enable off-peak charging. Now click on OK, and you can set the starting and the ending time of that off-peak time, which means that's when it's going to be charged. And as you can see, when it's enabled, the robot will be charged to the minimum required power during peak hours, which means if you start, if you have a schedule or if you start cleaning, then it will charge itself, so it can provide the cleaning, but will be charged to the full power during off-peak hours. But of course, if it's already charged during off-peak hours and you start your robot cleaning, then you don't need to worry. It will not use any power then, because it will be already charged, unless your area is so big that it will need to recharge in the meantime. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.